Let us understand Nifty on a daily chart as well as on a weekly time frame. We had clearly talked about Nifty breaking this particular trend line. At this point we will test this low of 17,760. Okay, sustaining below this level we had our down targets of 17,500 and 17,200. Nifty almost did this particular level, which is around 17,500. It touched a low of around 17,494. Now what do we have in store? One, we have gap at this particular location and another gap at this particular location. We can call it as gap 1 and gap 2. This gap is somewhere around 17,300 to 17,200. That is the place which we are looking at in terms of the first support. The second support which we can think of is around 17,000. Knowing into the factor that we are nearing the budget session, which will be on 1st Feb. Okay, what we can look into is any up move from this particular place. This will act as a resistance. This resistance will be again taken up, so that the fall will come again, and we can look for opportunity of buying in this particular place or in this particular place. Okay, so we can look for a good buying opportunity in this zone and in this zone. Let us understand that in a hourly time frame. Okay, yeah, if I am little clear on this particular zone, we can just yeah, so this is a zone which we are looking at. I think hourly is not visible. We'll go into 2 hourly time frame. Yes, this looks little better. So this is a place we can have resistance. Okay, that is your 17,800 zone. Okay, we'll have resistance. Then we can have support somewhere around 17,300 to 200. Okay, and the final support which we are looking at will be somewhere around 17,000. Okay, so we'll remember these levels. Okay, on the downside, that is where we'll have the buying potential coming in. Anytime Nifty crossing above this particular zone of 18,265 and sustaining above, then expect a big rally coming up towards the lifetime high, and we'll be heading towards major targets in terms of high side on the 19k and 20k. Okay, these kind of moves will only come if we have a favorable policy in terms of the on the budget. If we have favorable policy, then things will move forward. If we do not have a decent policy which is going to come up, then our targets will be on the downside, and there will be some consolidation before market takes the next course of direction towards the upside or the downside. Okay, hope this video helped. Thank you.